YouTube. This is your girl, you know who, Wife Love Luxury, and I'm back today with another video. And today's video is going to be on an item that I had on my 2020 wish list that I did not get, but I decided to go ahead and get it because I have new goals, new dreams, and things for this year that I am going to accomplish. But before I get started, I want to say I hope everybody had a good Christmas and everybody had a blessed 2020 New Year's. We're going to continue the vibes on 2021 this year. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this video. And since I was gone, I did purchase some items that I will probably share with you on my next video, and the items that I got for Christmas. So stay tuned for that. So like I said, today's video is going to be on an item that I had on my 2021. So this is an unboxing. And here is the box. I did get it yesterday, so I had to go to my mom's today and pick it up. So without further ado, let's do this. Okay, let's see if I can get the knife to work. So like I said, I hope everybody had a good Christmas. This item is from Fashionphile. I do believe, I think it was new in box with tags. So you guys, here is the box. Hope everybody can see the box. All the confetti. They did send another fingernail file. Here is the card with proof of purchase in there. The authenticity card and everything is in there. The 2021 calendar. So if you order from Fashionphile, I'm pretty sure you've gotten one. And this is the January's month. Okay. This item is a Louis Vuitton. Empty box. Here it is here. Used is the new. Like I said, this item was new. Here is the box, you guys. If you think you know what it is, leave a comment down below. And if you are right, then I'll give you a shout out on the next video. Here is the Fashionphile dust bag. You all might know what it is already. Before I show it, here is the Louis Vuitton dust bag. Okay. And as you know, Fashionphile always give you one of their dust bags. And without further ado, your girl scored a Louis Vuitton reverse mini backpack. You guys, I am loving the reverse canvas thing right now. So I'm just taking a second to look it over. Like I said, this has been on my wish list since last year, and I have a Michael Kors mini backpack. I did a video on it, and I've been carrying that a lot here lately. So I was like, okay, I'm liking the feeling of this backpack being small because it's less to carry, you know. So I was like, let me go ahead and just do it. So here is the bag. Here is the articity proof. I've watched every video that is out there. Here is the inside. There is a pocket. Let's see what's in the pocket. The SKU number, which is M44872. Like I said, this item was new. Here is the little pocket on the front. And I doubt that I would even use this because it's so small. This is the newer one with the zipper further out than up under the tab here. This makes my second backpack that I have for Louis Vuitton. I have the Palm Springs MM in the old version, and I have this one. And I'm wishing I should have gotten the Palm Springs MM in the newer version, just because I have noticed a little cracking starting to crack right here on the MM one that I have. So I might be getting rid of that and repurchasing the bigger one with the newer zipper further out. So you guys, I just wanted to come on here and share what your girl has been picked up. I missed doing my videos, so your girl is back. I did also purchase some accessories for this here. So when I come back and I do a what's in my bag or a review and tell you what I think about it, I'll show you what accessories I did pick up for her. You know, every bag have to have some kind of look. Okay, so without further ado, I'm just gonna say your girl is back. I do videos, or try to do videos every Sunday, so stay tuned for that. I try to release them at like 11 o'clock if you haven't noticed. So every Sunday, 11 o'clock. So until the next time, remember to subscribe, hit that button, leave me a comment down below. I do answer your comments. And you guys, please share my video. I'm trying to get my views up. So this channel is just about sharing what I've purchased to help you guys out. And I look at you all's videos